Hey guys, it's Hi5 Trainer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make oats pancakes. So let's go into the video. Ingredients that you need are 1 cup of oats. I took 1 cup with this rice cup. 1 banana, you have to cut it into pieces like this. 1 tablespoon of honey. Milk, I'm using normal milk. You can use badam milk or almond milk or coconut milk, you can use any milk. Oil, I'm using olive oil, you can use ghee or butter. And a mixer jar. So firstly, in a mixer jar, add the oats, the bananas, and milk, and blend it. The consistency should be like this. Now heat up a pan. And spray some oil or butter or ghee. Now pour the oats mixture and spread it on the pan, but make sure that it's still a bit thick. After the first side's cooked, flip it over to the other side and pour some honey over it. And tasty oats pancakes are ready. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and turn on the notifications bell to get notified whenever I upload another video.